Hello students, good morning. Students, today I will explain you chapter 14, an important chapter, that is our agriculture. Why it is important? Because agriculture in India is the means of livelihood of almost 62% of the workforce in the country. Today India ranks second worldwide in farm output. So students understood, 62% of the population is involved in agriculture. Students, what do you mean by agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing of crops and raising livestock. Okay? Raising livestock. Agriculture is the production of food and goods through farming. Students, agriculture is also important for our industries, as through it we get raw materials for agro-based industries. Students, there are different types of agriculture in India, more or less 10 to 11 types. Out of that, we will read 3 types of agriculture, 3 types of farming that is used in India. Students, types of agriculture in India depends upon availability of water, natural fertility of soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions of that very area. So the first type of agriculture, the first type of farming in India is primitive subsistence farming. Primitive means the first stage of farming, when the farming started, that stage. This is very ancient type of farming, and primitive subsistence farming is practiced on small scale land, in the small patches of land, with the help of primitive tools, backdated tools, that is primitive tools, that means that is not machinery. Okay, if you'll say it is simple machine that is made by men only, like you, thou, digging stick, all this. Okay, and subsistence agriculture, farmer and his family produce cereals for themselves and themselves only, and for local market. Okay, types of cereals like wheat, rice, millet are mainly raised. This is practiced in most part of India even today. Okay, so when the fertility of the land decreases, okay, these farmer leave that land and takes up another piece of land for cultivation. So this is the type of primitive subsistence farming, that is old type farming, that is not modern type of farming. Okay, intensive subsistence farming. In this type of farming is involved in highly populated area. Okay, it is practiced in highly populated area. Which type of farming? That is intensive subsistence farming is practiced in highly populated area. In subsistence farming, farmer and his family produce cereals and all this for themselves and for the local market. And in intensive subsistence farming, this is totally contrast to the subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming, it is labor intensive farming. Okay, it is labor intensive farming. Intensive farming aims at maximum possible production on the limited farms, on the limit, with the all effort possible under the circumstances. Okay, so they use high doses of biochemicals inputs, that means fertilizers, not only natural, artificial fertilizers, and agriculture irrigation facilities are also there. Irrigation, that means watering the crops. They never depends on the monsoon. Okay, they use irrigation, method of irrigation. And the farmers, I told intensive farming is capable of raising more than one crop in a year. Use capital, that means money. Capital means money. Use capital and human labor is involved, employed on every hectare of the land. It is practiced in most part of the densely populated area. Okay, so this type of intensive subsistence farming, there is the maximum population in this area. The maximum population is involved. Think 90% of the population of an area is involved in the farming, involved in the agriculture, so that farmers, there is not another alternatives source of income. Thus there is enormous pressure on the agricultural land. Okay, and the third type of farming, is commercial farming. So students, what is commercial farming? Commercial agriculture or farming is practice to raise crops on a large scale with a view to export them to the other countries and earn money. Okay, so this type of farming are use of higher doses of modern imports. For example, high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, that is artificial fertilizers, insecticide and pesticide to protect the crops, etc. Commercial agriculture is done mostly in sparsely populated areas, so that they can get the huge land, a big land, and this is a type of large scale area farming. This farming is done in large scale area. So students, this type of farming is done in the area of Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Maharashtra. Mainly practice this type of farming. They practice this type of farming, and types of crops are that grown here. Types of crops are grown here are wheat, cotton, sugarcane, corn, and millets, etc. So these are the types of commercial crops. So students, today up to this we have learned types of agriculture in India. Not all types, 3 types of agriculture we have learned today. I have explained to you. Hope you understood. Read this topic what I taught today again and again to get the knowledge. And tomorrow we will read about crops, types of crops that is grown in India. So students, that is what for today. The class ends here. Good day.